Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Eve's Stories. Thank you for joining us today.
Standing in the cold, cold.
So you guys requested me to bring you the cheapest house I could get, and this is a video of cheap houses in Kasarani. The houses are going for 4,000 Kenyan shillings. I'll be showcasing two of them in different buildings. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like, comment and hit the subscription button as we are still headed to 1,000 subscribers. We are currently at 870 and I'm hoping we'll get to 1,000 subscribers soon. Enjoy the video.
Cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything.
So this is the outside of the first house we'll be looking at.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here.
And this is how the house looks like. It has this separated area
Standing in the cold.
which can be your kitchen area, and remember the house is going for 4,000 Kenyan shillings.
I know we could both do.
So depending with how this house has been built, it's worth the money.
Me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our risk?
So this is the back door.
You never look in the mirror. Counting the days until you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything, you took it all and took it for granted.
Yes, the house has two doors, the side door and the back door. So you can decide to close the back door.
In the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled.
The house is narrow, but this space from the back door to just before you get to the switch can fit a 6x4 bed. So from here to somewhere around
What's the point in our reflection?
here is where you fit in your bed.
If you never look
Then there is this extra space,
in the mirror. Counting the days,
so you'll have this tiny little space here for your movement
carry on.
after you have fit in your bed.
In the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away,
And now this will be your kitchen area.
I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection, if you never look in the mirror? Counting
So you can actually decide to lock this door,
the days until you're gone, waiting for
never to be used again. So this is the washroom. It's a combined washroom just outside your door. The advantage of this
us to carry.
4,000 house is that this washroom will be shared just between you and the caretaker and no one else.
Thing to step away, I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here, now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection, if you never look in the mirror? Counting the days until
This is the outside view of the second building we will be looking at.
you're gone, waiting for us to carry on. Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time?
Also going for 4,000 shillings.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who does.
This is how the interior of the house looks like. It's a single room.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked it.
So this house is on the 4th floor and you can see the natural lighting that is getting inside the house.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to right?
I love the fact that this single room has tiles. Most people don't concentrate on putting tiles in single rooms.
Standing in the cold, cold rain, I don't even feel the pain. Anything to step away, away. I know we could both do better. Wish you would've left me here. Now I'm just controlled by fear. What's the point in our reflection?
And we are done with the interior of it, and this is where the sink is, the common sink for the whole floor is.
Setting fire to my brain, wondering how I'm to blame. You're the one who doesn't dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying.
So here is a shared balcony for the whole floor. You can hang your clothes here, but there is also the rooftop.
I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying.
So if you visited an area with single rooms before, you know the buildings are never this clean. I love the fact that this building is clean and the people on this floor are maintaining the cleanness.
Sleeping. I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride?
So right here is where your washroom for the whole floor is. This is the bathroom.
Or die?
So you have 2 bathrooms and 1 toilet.
Always sleeping. I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying.
So we are headed to the rooftop.
Dream, so why are you always sleeping? I remember when you said you're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying.
And this is the rooftop. You can see some people have hung their clothes on the rooftop.
Are you always sleeping? I remember when you said.
And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment and hit that subscription button. Bye bye. See you in the next video.
You're afraid of what's ahead. What happened to ride or die? I asked and you just start crying. How are you acting so surprised? Haven't you seen it in my eyes? Oh, I'm running, what am I running from? Time's going by, but where's the time going? I tried to give you everything. You took it all and took it for granted. If you're still falling out of love, maybe it's